Hello, everyone. So this is another MathCON problem. So this question was a grade level 8. But I think this question could be actually any grade level because it doesn't really request any like concept. It's just kind of using some sort of logic that we are given in the problem. So it could be any grade level. Okay. So we are given a 3 by 3 grid square consisting of two colors, blue and yellow. Okay, like this one. And where the blue represent 2 and yellow represent 1. Okay. So like the blues are gonna be 2s and yellows will be just 1s. And any blue square is equal to sum of the all three squares in that row. Okay, so this is important. So we are told, let me write those guys as well. So the blue is 2. So this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, and this is 2. And these guys are just 1. And we are told any blue square is equal to sum of the all three squares in that row. So like if you add these numbers 1, 1, 2, okay, that's basically 4. And that will be actually the blue square in this row, which is right here, as we see. Okay, when I add these three numbers, I will get 5. So any blue that on that row will be written as 5, and this is also 5. And if you add these guys, that will be 4. So blue one will be just 4, which is this guy. And if you add these numbers, which is any yellow square, is equal to sum of the three squares in that column. When you add this 1 to 2, which is 5, anything that on this row that is yellow will be 5. This is basically that 5. When you add these 3, that's 3. Any yellow on that column will be 3, which is why all those 3's. And then if you add these guys, that's 5. Any yellow on this column should be 5, which is only this guy. Okay, so this is basically what they're talking. And based on this, we want to find some of those ABCs. Okay, so let me actually kind of add the 3 by 3 grid right here as well. Okay, so I can see how that looks like. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, and then these are the case. Okay, so I'm not gonna really color code. Maybe I should, but actually let me do that. So we are we are told this is like these guys are blue, these are also, and the other ones are yellow. Okay, so these are yellow. Okay, so I think, yeah, we are good with this color, right? But I think I can do better than that. So let me try. Okay, so I think, yeah, this is a bit better than what we had in the first place. So, and then these guys will be just this blue color. But my lines are kind of disappear. So let me remind this. Okay, so I think this is okay. So again, based on what we just kind of discovered in our previous like example, we just want to use it. So any blue square is equal to sum of the numbers in each row. So when you like remember the blue was 2, so which was this guy 2, this is 2, this is 1. Again, these are my original values for these colors. So this is 2, this is 2, this is 2. When you add these three numbers, you get 5. So any blue color, like squares on this one will be 5. So that's 5 and that's 5. Okay, so since there is no blue right here, so you don't need to add those. If you add this, you got 6. So that means any blues right here will be 6. And then if you add these guys, which is 4, any yellows on this column should be A4. And then that is some of these 3 is 5. So any yellows on this will be 5. And some of these guys is also 5. So that should be 5. So what we were looking is A, B, and C. So if you add this, so 6, 4 is 10 plus 5 is 15. So this question was a bit challenging, especially when you don't really understand what they are asking for. So, but when you really read the question carefully and look at the given example, I hope like that makes more sense. And that is our answer for this case. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.